This past semester, I studied abroad in the French Riviera with CEA. I chose this location because it was a quaint city on the sea and the weather was always spectacular. The opportunities to do outdoor activities included swimming, snorkeling, and hiking, which was also a huge draw for me. I studied at CEA International Business School with students from every corner of the world. Through the program, I made lifelong friends from all over the world and memories that'll last a lifetime. The CEA excursions were extraordinary. We hiked Eze, made perfume, traveled to Nice, and experienced the riches of Monaco. Come study abroad with CEA, where adventure meets education.